quick tips with the Level Pro system on the 120 machines. Pretty much all of the same tricks work. Being able to hold both buttons together and zero it out like that. Being able to hold both of these and swap numbers from each side. Try that again. Hard to do one-handed. So it swaps them left to right. And then it has, you push in on this, you get all the same options. So this one is match slope and make it active on the right side. This one is move the left number to match the right side. This is match your actual on the right side to the set. So like if I was to go back button, if I wanted to make my actual 12 inches match my set, I would choose this one, push in, and now it matched that way. And the same works for the left side. Match slope and swap. Match the left side to the right side. Match the actual to your set. So there's some quick tips for the Level Pro system on the small grinders. And then you do have your settings menu. You can adjust your sensitivities, things like that. So we won't go into that right now, but I wanted to show you those tricks. So I hope those things help you out.